Hello guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can post your React app on Netlify in less than 2 minutes. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to GitHub, create a new repo. We're just gonna call this test. Once that's done, the only thing I have here is just create React app. This is just a basic template, so we can change this to, like, I don't know, Netlify test. So now what we can do, we need to push the changes to GitHub first. Git add, and we need to commit. Then we go back here, copy this link, and then we need to push. So we're gonna wait for that to finish. So that should be done already. We go here. Then we go to Netlify. A login. Maybe you guys will need to create an account, but you can log in with GitHub here. And you're gonna see this page, and you're gonna click new site from GitHub. So we name this test. We find that one, and you click deploy site here. Now that's deploying. We just need to wait a bit. It usually doesn't take longer than a minute. So we can just wait for that. Once that's finished, we're gonna get a link here where we can check for our app, or where we can view our app. So let's just wait for this. I might refresh this few times just to see if it updated. Okay, now it says building. Okay, it's still building here. So once this is done, we're gonna get the live link with the preview. It says published here. This is the link you're gonna get. Now we have a React app posted online. Probably less than 2 minutes, maybe even a minute. Also right now, since this is connected to GitHub, if I go back to this project and I change this to, let's say, second commit. Then we can push that to GitHub again. Now, every time we push this file or any files to GitHub, it's gonna update this page automatically on Netlify. So you don't need to change anything on Netlify ever. So let's add and commit these. So we only changed this, that says second commit. So if we go back here, we reload, it should say building here. So it still says Netlify test here, as you can see. So once this is published, instead of Netlify test, this is just gonna say second commit. So every time we make changes in our app now and push it to GitHub, it's gonna update automatically to our Netlify page. So let's just wait for this to be published, and if I go here and refresh, there it goes, second commit. So that would be it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.